Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to customize the control center in this device. First of all, open the control center, then tap on the plus button on the top left side. So here you can see the customization for the control center. So from here you can add or remove the existing icons and you can also replace them. Okay, let me show you. So in case if you want to remove the calculator icon from here, just tap on the minus button. You can see it is removed from here. If you want to add any other icons, just tap on the option add a control at the bottom, tap on this one, and from here you can add the control button. So here I am going to select the option low power mode, select this one. You can see it is added. Okay, and also we can resize the icon size also. So here you can see one buttons you can see here, just tap on this one and you can also resize. Let me show you again, like this. So simply in this way you can customize the home control center in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.